Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I am going to show you how to split video in CapCut. Okay, so if you are using CapCut app in your PC and you want to split any video, so how to do it? Let's what you do first. I am going to import a video from my PC. Okay, so I am going to import this one. Okay, now I have to just click on this, add to track. Okay, now if I want to split this video, what I have to do, you have to just click on this track. Okay, click on it and move the cursor from where you want to split the video. Okay, and then here you will see option split. Just click on split. So now you will see that I have successfully split the video. So like this you can split video in CapCut. So if you like this video, please like my video and also subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.